Hi, good afternoon. I'm Sonakshi Gupta. I've done my 10th and 12th from Presentation Convent School, Jammu. I got 91.2 in 10th and 91.8 in 12th. Then I did my BE in ACE from UIT Punjab University. I completed my graduation in June 2012, got 80 percentile. My CAT score was 98.2. I had calls from IMK, all new 6 IMs. Then MDI, XIMB, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, NITI, IMT IMI 4 LBS. Today I am going to discuss about my interview experience of IIT Kharagpur. It took place on 19th of March. The venue was IFT Delhi, and first round was case discussion. There were around about 10 group members, and 2 panelists were there, and for discussion 15 minutes were given for discussion, 10 minutes to read the case, and at the end 5 minutes to write the summary of discussion. The case was about an aggressive boss who was very aggressive with all his employees, was focused on getting the output, but was not at all cordial with his employees. So was always used to rule and kind of a dictatorship kind of thing. So at the end, what was like, management fired him. They didn't mention any reason, but I was one of the employees who worked under him, was very tortured by his behavior, but got to learn how to deal with such situations and such kind of people. But that boss was technically very strong. So all in all, I thought that I've worked really well for such a long time, like 20 years, and got a good technical knowledge also and good experience. So I was thinking that I should be promoted to his post now. But so the main aim for this case was, should I be promoted to his place or not? So good discussion took place, all people spoke, no fish market at all, good points were given, and at the end conclusion was also drawn. So all in all, good discussion experience. Then after writing summary for 5 minutes, then there was interview. Panelists were different. There were 2 panelists in interview itself. It was a very friendly interview, no pressure at all. When I went in, they started with my favorite subject. No, sorry, they started with introduce yourself, and after that asked about my favorite subject. I said digital electronics, and then they asked difference between digital and analog. Then maximum of the signals which are in the environment, what are they, analog or digital? Then since they are analog, so they said why we convert into digital, as in benefits of digital over analog, and what are the process way of converting analog into digital. And then they told me, suppose there is a temperature, this room, whatever temperature is there, draw its graph and convert it into digital and tell the steps followed in this. And then they told me to write any expression of conversion from analog to digital, and any mathematical expression. That's it. And after that, they asked about my hobbies, since I've been free from June 2012, what I did, and asked about my hobbies. Then they asked what calls I have, or what was my interview experience in K, and then they asked me to rate this IIT Kharagpur interview in terms of IMK interview, since I told them that was really grilling. So they told me rate on scale of 10, what was this interview like. That's it. And the interview lasted for around about 10 to 15 minutes, and the whole I went there around about 11 to 11:30 AM and was free at 3.